Hello everyone, welcome to Byrappa Sons. Today I'll be showing a very beautiful collection of a handloom pure silk saree, and this saree comes with all different kinds of patterns as well as the color combinations. And the price range of the saree also varies according to their design and the color combination, and all of them will be mentioned in the description. And without wasting any time, let's take a look at this video. This is a very beautiful grey color saree, comes with a silver jari and it has a big border. I'll show you how the saree looks. It's a beautiful color combination saree. This is the pallu. You get a very nice jari and square buttas. This is how the entire saree looks. These are all pure silk saree, and the price of this saree is for 15,900. And you get a 10% discount. This is the blouse piece. This is a beautiful silk saree, and this is a bottle green color. Comes with checks design. See how beautiful the saree looks, and it also comes with a attached pallu. This is the attached pallu. This is a very traditional design saree and looks very grand. And you get a simple plain blouse piece for the saree. The cost of the saree is for 16,900 and comes with a 10% discount. This is a parrot green saree, and you can see you get a small emboss of silver jari. The detailing of the saree is very pretty and looks very nice. The color combination is superb, and all of this comes with a double shade color, and this is a borderless. You can see how uniformly the design is for the entire saree, and you get a contrast blouse. The price of the saree is for 13,900 and comes with a 10% discount. This is a beautiful sky blue color and comes with a silver jari. These are all pure handloom silk saree. You can see how beautiful the saree is, and it comes with the attached pallu. All of the saree comes with the attached pallu. These are all handloom silk saree, and this is the blouse piece, contrast blouse. And the entire saree comes with the small buttas. The price of this saree is for 13,900 and comes with a 10% discount. This is a magenta color combination with a pink color border. This is a very excellent saree. You can notice in the border it comes with a silver jari as well as the golden jari, and the entire saree is made of golden checks buttas. And this is the pallu. You get a very nice rich pallu and a plain blouse. The cost of this saree is just for 16,900 and comes with a 10% discount. This is a big border saree. It's a bottle green. You can see how unique the buttas are. This color combination is green, bottle green with purple. And the material also, it's very soft, and this is a pure silk saree. You can see how beautiful the saree looks, and all over you get the same buttas. This is the pallu, very nice rich pallu, and this is the blouse. This is a bottle green saree and comes with a golden jari. You can see how beautiful the saree looks. This is a very nice rich pallu, and you get small buttas all over the saree. Looks very grand, and these are all very new designs. And you get a blouse which is again in bottle green. The cost of the saree is for 15,900 and comes with a 10% discount. This is a baby pink border, comes with a lavender shade, and it has a silver jari. The entire saree comes with a small checks design. You can see how beautiful the color is. It's a pastel shade. And the entire saree comes with a small checks pattern, which is again made in jari only. This is the pallu, a very beautiful nice pallu, and it has got a very nice shade of lavender color for the blouse piece. This is a beautiful sky blue saree, comes with a silver jari. It has a very small unique buttas, and look at the color combination, how beautiful it looks. It's a very latest color combination, and the entire saree has a small buttas all over the saree. These are very small buttas which is made in mango design, and you get a very nice decent medium sized border which is made in silver jari. And you can see how beautiful the pallu is. It's a grey color and comes with a grey color blouse piece. This is a very beautiful silk saree and comes with a small checks pattern. You can see how beautiful the saree looks. Very rich and looks very elegant. And this is the entire saree, all made of checks and a medium sized buttas all over the saree, and this is of silver jari. And this is the blouse piece. The cost of this saree is for 16,900 and comes with a 10% discount. This is a sea green, a green color saree, but which is of very light color. And this saree is very soft, and it's made of pure silk saree, and these are all handloom silk. You can see how beautiful the saree looks, and you get a very nice rich pallu, and the border size is of medium size, and this is the blouse piece. And the price range of this saree is for 13,900 and comes with a 10% discount. It's a beautiful blue color saree, and again it comes with the checks buttas, and these are all small check buttas which actually looks very grand on the saree. You can see how rich and beautiful the saree is. This is the color contrast combination. Probably you might not see it on the camera, but it's very nice. It's a very nice contrast. It's again a very dull color, and this is the entire saree, how it looks. And the border also comes with a medium size only, and all checks buttas all over the saree. This is a beautiful color combination saree. It's a very nice and very latest one, and this is the blouse piece. The cost of this saree is for 16,900 and comes with a 10% discount. This is a scarlet pink color saree. You can see how beautiful the saree is. It looks very grand. All of the saree comes with a self design. You can see how beautiful the pallu is, very rich, and the entire saree has the checks pattern. And you get a self color pallu. You can see the pallu is also in double shade, pink color, scarlet pink, And the cost of this saree is for 15,900 and comes with a 10% discount. This is a beautiful baby pink color saree and comes with a small checks pattern. You can see how beautiful it looks. And this is again a self designed. This is the pallu. You can see how very nicely and looks very rich on the saree. And this is the entire saree. Comes with all small checks design all over the saree. And this is the blouse piece. And the cost of this saree is for 16,900. Comes with 10% discount. It's a very nice beautiful color saree. You can see how elegant it looks. It's a light mustard color saree. This is the blouse. And the entire saree has a very nice checks buttas. And the cost of this saree is for just 16,990. This is a very nice peach color saree. You can see how nice and beautiful it looks. And it comes with a scarlet pink pallu. This is the blouse. And the entire saree comes with all small buttas. And the price of the saree is for just 13,990 and comes with 10% discount. This is a sky blue saree. Comes with a checks buttas all the saree, and this has a medium size border. Comes with a silver jari. This is a self combination saree. You can see how beautiful the saree looks. Many customers are asking for light pastel shade saree. This is the saree how it looks. Very beautiful saree, and you can see there's a two different kind of butta. One in round and one in the small buttas. And this is the pallu. And this is the blouse piece. And the cost of this saree is for 16,900 and comes with a 10% discount. This is a beautiful royal blue color saree and comes with a very small border. Many customers were asking for this type. And look at the small buttas. It's a very small peacock butta on inside the checks. I'll show you how beautiful the saree looks with this color combination. This is a very new design. You can see how grand the pallu is. And the entire saree comes with a small border with small checks buttas. This is a very nice rich pallu, and this is the blouse. And the price of this saree is for 15,990 and comes with 10% discount. This is a very beautiful pink color saree, and the contrast and the color combination is excellent in the saree. You can see how beautiful the saree looks. Comes with a mustard color, and the entire saree is borderless, but you can see how beautiful the design of the saree is. And this is the blouse piece. And the cost of this saree is for just 13,990 and it comes with 10% discount. This is a yellow color saree, but the color combination is very new, and all of the saree comes with borderless, but the silk is pure handloom silk saree. This is the rich pallu what you get in the saree, and it's made of magenta combination. And the entire saree is very bright and looks very clear, and you can see this is made of copper jari and this is made of gold jari. There are two different kinds of jari which has been used. and this is the blouse. And the cost of this saree is for 13,990 and comes with 10% discount. This is a silver jari saree, which is made in grey color, dark grey color, but the combination is very beautiful. You can see there are small buttas all over the saree, and it has a medium size border. This is the pallu, and this is the blouse piece. The cost of this saree is for 13,990 and comes with 10% discount. This is a beautiful magenta color saree. It comes with a jari, and all the saree comes with 1 gram gold. You can see the color combination, how beautiful it is. This is the pallu, and you get a contrast blouse piece for this, and the entire saree comes with a butta. Very beautiful it is. I have many collections in the saree, and I'll be making a second part video also, where I'll be showing you a very more latest ones with the handloom silk saree. And all of these price ranges comes from 10,000 to 11,000 and goes up to 15 to 16,000, and then the prices are mentioned in the description. So if you like anything, you can always call me on the number which is displayed on the screen, and please leave a comment and also share the video so that let the other people also come to know what kind of collections we have. And this is the wedding season, so I'll be showing more of pure silk sarees from this day onwards. Thank you very much.